So here's how to add new page on Wix. First up, let's head over to the wix.com website. And as you can see, we're already here. Now, click on Login or Get Started on the top right corner. And once you're logged in, this will be your dashboard. Now, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. Now, let's click on Design Site on the top right. After that, you will be taken to your website editor page. Now, if you go over to the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. Click on Pages and Menu. This is where all the different sections of your website will be visible. Now, click on Add Page right here. You will then be taken to the Add Page section, and you can see different sections that you can add right off the bat. Go through the options and click on Add Page on whichever one that you want. And as you can see, the page is now being added. Once it's done, you will get to see the newly added page on the left over here. Now, you need to put a name for your new page. After that, click on Done. You now have a new page added to your website. You can customize it according to your preference, and once you're done, you can go ahead and publish your website. And that is exactly how to add new page on Wix.